Welcome friends. Let us continue to study chapter number 3 on my YouTube channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. The topic included in today's lecture is numerical based on specific volume. Calculate the volume of 7 kilogram of steam at a pressure of 1 megapascal for following cases. So they have given us 3 cases. Case A, 0.88 dry steam, dry and saturated steam, and temperature of steam is 200 degrees Celsius. So from this numerical we can identify, yes, case A is wet steam, case B directly they have given dry and saturated steam, and case C may be the superheated steam, but we have to compare with the saturation temperature. So mass of steam 7 kilogram, pressure of steam 1 megapascal. Now we have to convert this 1 megapascal into bar because in the steam table the data has been given in bar. So 1 into 10 raised to 6 pascal, and then we have to convert into bar because 1 bar is equal to 10 raised to 5 pascal. So answer is 1 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 10 raised to 5 bar. That is 10 bar. So at 10 bar from steam table, let us find out all the value. T set, Vf and Vg, because here we have to calculate the volume. So we have taken the value of Vf and Vg only, not the value of Hf, Hfg and Hg. Case A, 0.88 dry. So as 0.88 dry, it means it is a wet steam. So what is the equation of specific volume of wet steam? V wet is equals to X into Vg meter cube per kg. X is given Vg from the steam table. Answer is 0.88 multiplied by 0.1943. 0.171 meter cube per kg. But this is not the final answer because they have given us the 7 kilogram of steam. And this answer is in meter cube per kg. So what is the final answer? Capital V wet is equals to mass of steam multiplied by specific volume of wet steam. So it is 7 multiplied by the answer 0.171. So the final answer is 1.197 meter cube. That is the answer for the case A. Let us take the case B, dry and saturated steam. What is the equation? Specific volume dry is equals to Vg, meter cube per kg. Now Vg, yes, we will get directly from the steam table. So it is 0.1943 meter cube per kg, that is V dry. But as mass is given, this is not the final answer. So V capital V dry is equals to mass of steam multiplied by specific volume of dry steam in meter cube. So the capital V dry is equals to 7 multiplied by 0.1943, and therefore capital V dry is equals to 1.36 meter cube. So this is the final answer for case B. Now case C, temperature of steam is 200 degrees centigrade. Now let us compare this temperature with the saturation temperature, which is 179.88. And the given temperature of steam is more than saturation temperature, and due to that it is superheated steam. So what is the equation for the superheated steam specific volume? V sup is equals to Vg multiplied by T sup by T set. Vg given in the numerical, we take from the steam table. T sup given in the numerical, that is T sim is equals to T sup is equals to 200 degrees centigrade, and T set from the steam table. So V sup is equals to 0.1943 multiplied by 200 plus 273. As I have told you, please don't forget to convert temperature in Kelvin. And due to that, V sup is 0.203 meter cube per kg. But again, this is not the final answer. We have to multiply this answer by mass of steam. So capital V sup is equals to mass of steam multiplied by specific volume of superheated steam. So it is 7 multiplied by 0.203. So the answer is 1.421 meter cube. So here we have calculated the volume of steam for three cases: wet steam, dry and saturated steam, and superheated steam. Determine the condition of steam at 12 bar if 2580 kilojoule per kg heat is required to produce it from water at 0 degree centigrade. It means if water is given this much of steam, what will be the condition of steam? Is it clear? Now let us see. Pressure of steam they have given 12 bar. Heat supplied to the steam is 2580 kilojoule per kg. And from the steam table at pressure P equal to 12 bar, HF is 798.4, HFG is 1984.3 and HG is 2782.7. Because the data they have given is only heat supply, let us compare this 2580 with HF, HFG and HG one by one. Check for the saturated liquid. So for saturated liquid, HF is equal to 798.4. It means if we supply this much of heat to the water will become saturated liquid. Now compare this 798.4 with 2580. So 2580 is more than 798. It means the steam is given more heat than the saturated liquid. So now the generated steam is not saturated liquid, it is more than that. So it is beyond point B. Now let us see, it can be C point, it can be D point. So given steam is not saturated liquid, it can be wet or it can be dry or it can be superheated. So check for the wet steam. So if they have given us X, then we have to check. But they have not given us the X, so we cannot check it for the wet steam. Now let us check for the dry steam. So specific enthalpy of dry steam is HF plus HFG, that is Hg is equals to 2782.7. It means if water is supplied this much amount of heat, water has converted into dry steam. Now compare this enthalpy with the given enthalpy. So given enthalpy is 2580 is less than 2782. It means the heat is not given sufficiently so that it is converted into dry steam. So steam is not dry steam, and due to that steam cannot be superheated steam also. So what we have concluded, steam is not at point B, that is saturated liquid. Steam is not reached to the dry steam. It means steam is in between B and D. So steam is at point C, that is steam is wet steam. So given enthalpy of steam, we can say it is the enthalpy of wet steam, and after giving this much of heat, the steam will become wet steam. But if it is a wet steam, we have to calculate X. What is X? So for wet steam, H wet is equals to HF plus X into HFG. HF from steam table, HFG from the steam table, and H wet is the given in the numerical, because now this enthalpy is enthalpy of wet steam. So we'll put this data to 580 is equals to 798.4 plus X into 1984.3. Now calculate X. X is equals to 0.898. That is equals to 89.8. It means if we supply the heat to 580 to water at pressure is equal to 12 bar, the generated steam will be wet steam, and at that time dryness fraction will be 89.8%. Thank you.